Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope. I wanted to talk about how you can access YouTube and design YouTube pages according to your own media in whatever application or whatever media genre you specialize in or specialist in a way of what you've learnt and can combine on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is simply media production on a computer and other definitions of media which I love and enjoy watching or enjoy creating or enjoy performance for, etc. But this image here is easily changed simply by going to customize channel. Now when you customize a channel, if I just click it to show you what it's like when you sign up for a channel or an account on YouTube. This here is the channel picture. This here is your logo, and you just click the pencils. This one here is for your main banner, which you can learn how to design with me in, well, Flash or Animate or whatever you use to design stuff. You can use pictures that you take with video camera if you resize them, etc. This here is a little logo. If I press on the button just to edit channel icon, your channel icon comes from the Google account. Changes may take a few minutes to show on your channel. But if you click edit, then you get all of this, because these are my different logos that I've already uploaded and my faces, etc. But you can add stuff to your YouTube account, you can add stuff to your Google account. I'm just going to go back to my channel, which you can, that's how you get to your, well, Google part of your account. If you go back to Ultragene Productions, back to YouTube, and what I wanted to explain was what you can create in Adobe and in Reason, because as you see all these files here, like created playlists, I've got UG idents, UG web presentations. I'm constantly building my YouTube channel, but you can have all types of media exported with Premiere. So you can even take music into Premiere and export it according to a video which has high definition of an MPEG-2 or an AVI, etc. So you can create any sort of YouTube channel, a video channel, a blog channel, a tutorial channel, and I will teach you all of that on my website if you purchase the tutorials. But this is like a webinar explaining exactly how you create all of your channel with pieces. Here's the hyperlink to your website. I've explained the logo. I've explained the videos can be all types of media, blogs, etc., which is done with a webcam. Playlists, you add playlists, pick videos and have videos that are other videos that you've not created, have your own creations. The channels are the channels you've liked, and your subscription discussion is your comments on your channel, and about is basically a statement about what you do in media, basically. So that's a quick, brief conversation about how to set up a YouTube channel, and the more detailed you become and the more SEO keywords or key descriptions you put on your videos, make them easier to find. And the truth is that, well, if you love media, you'll love YouTube, and you just get an account. Thank you for listening.